I gave someone a piece of this lemon loaf cake to try out, and by the time I got back, they had eaten almost half of it. It is that good, you guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make yours at home. This is not your average lemon cake. It is moist. It is filled with a lemon flavor. If you don't like lemon, you won't like this at all. Now let's get into it. The full ingredient list and their quantities are in the description box, so please check that out. We're using some lemon, sugar, Greek yogurt unsweetened, all-purpose flour. We're using some vegetable oil, melted butter, some vanilla, and some baking soda. First things first, we want to start by getting our lemon zest. I love that I am using the foreign lemon and not the Nigerian lemon because I want that yellow look to the cake. If you use a Nigerian lemon, it's typically very green. So what you would have is like a greeny cake, or is that even the right word to say, but it's not going to look as yellow as this one looks, and I like the yellow pretty color, so that's why I'm using this. But if you don't mind the color, please use the Nigerian lemon. Now you want to set the lemon zest aside, and then we're going to be making lemon juice from scratch. We need a lemon juice to incorporate into the cake and also to use for our glaze. This is super important to you guys. What you just want to do is cut it into halves, and then you're just going to use your citrus juicer to get out all the juice that you can get from this. This is how good my citrus juicer is, you guys. You can see that there's literally nothing left. Once you're done with that, you want to just set that aside. We don't need all of this for this particular cake, so you can just store the remaining in your fridge or your freezer. Anyone works. Now in a bowl, you're going to combine your butter, vegetable oil, sugar. You're also going to add your vanilla essence and some eggs. Please make sure that you're using clean free range eggs. Now you're going to mix everything until combined. Basically, we're trying to mix all our wet ingredients first, and this process does not take a long time. Like, this entire cake doesn't even take a long time at all. Then you're going to add your lemon juice, lemon zest, Greek yogurt. I'm using unsweetened Greek yogurt here. Please do not use sweetened Greek yogurt, or else it's going to affect the overall taste of the cake. Then you're now going to mix this thoroughly to combine. For your dry ingredients, you do not need too many things, honestly. Again, you also want to mix this until like the sugar dissolves. For your dry ingredients, just mix some flour, salt, and baking powder. That is it. You also want to make sure that you're sifting your dry ingredients. Please and please do not just put your dry ingredients in. Sometimes flour has very funny things in it. You don't want that at all. Mix that, but do not over mix. Once it is properly incorporated, you want to transfer that to your baking pan. I have lined my baking pan with a parchment paper, and I recommend that you do the same if you're not using one of those silicone ones, just so it is easy for your cake to come out when it is time. This is what it looks like. You don't have to add anything to this. You just want to put that in your oven, and then you're going to bake that for about 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, your cake is ready. While our cake is in the oven, what we're going to be doing now is making the glaze, and it is super simple. Just 2 ingredients. You're going to mix some confectioner sugar, also known as icing sugar, and some lemon juice. That is all you need to do. Don't do anything else. Mix that to combine thoroughly until everything is very smooth, and that is it. While we're here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice, or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from my channel, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I am a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this. I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs. If that sounds like a thing, please subscribe to the channel. Now our cake is out. You want to allow it to cool down before you go with the glaze, so that the glaze is not running. Then you're now going to top this off with more lemon zest. This is actually optional, but because I wanted this cake to be filled with everything lemon, I had to incorporate more of that lemon. This is what it looks like, you guys. This thing is so pretty. It tastes so amazing, very much. You can see it just by looking at this video. Now I'm going to see you guys in my next video, and if you do recreate this recipe, please send me a picture or a video on my Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. Love you guys. Bye.